Ever see a UGC video pop up during your late night doom scroll and think, I could probably do that if I just knew where to start? Well, the good news is you absolutely can. And you're not alone, and it's not too late for you. I created the Paid Content Creator Academy because I know what it's like to doubt yourself. But after helping hundreds of students from complete beginners to 45-year-old moms and 61-year-old grandmas, I've learned that the only thing standing between you and consistent high-paying content work is a system that actually works for you. Because UGC isn't just about creating videos. It's about understanding what brands want and positioning yourself like a pro from day one. That's what PCCA teaches you to do in less than 60 days. If there's even a part of you that feels like it's time to take this seriously, I built the Paid Content Creator Academy for you. Just like I built it for Heather, who came in January with no experience, no strategy, and no clue where to start. 3 months later, she was making over $5,000 consistently a month because she said yes to trying something new and went all in on it. And yes, Heather is in her 40s. If you're ready to stop guessing and finally get paid for your creativity, the doors to the Fall 2025 Paid Content Creator Academy group coaching cohort are open right now. Doors do close August 31st though, and if you wait, that's another month of second guessing instead of getting paid for your creativity. Inside, we don't just teach you how to create high converting content for brands. Yes, we do that, but we also give you the scripts, the templates, the coaching, and the confidence to actually sell them without second guessing yourself every step of the way. You'll have access to live group calls, personalized feedback, and a step-by-step roadmap that's helped everyday women and women-respecting men turn UGC into real sustainable income, even if they are brand new to this side of the internet. And if you're not quite ready for a group coaching setup, we also offer a self-paced version of the program for 6 easy payments of just $41, so you can begin at your own pace, no pressure. Either way, if your gut's been telling you it's time to go all in on yourself, this is your sign. Click the link below, explore your options, and join us inside the Academy before it's too late. You're more ready than you think, and I cannot wait to be your guide along your journey. And if you'd like to get a glimpse into my exact framework that we go over in the PCCA, you can check out a high-level version of it in this video next.